Hello everyone, I'm Yao Jing. Today we are going to weave a cute and quirky dog eye storage tray. First, cast on stitches from the left side. Crochet 18 slip stitches. 18 chain stitches complete the first round. Chain 1 for standing up, pick up the chain stitch and crochet a single crochet. Crochet 1 single crochet stitch into each chain stitch, a total of 17 single crochet stitches. After completing 17 single crochet stitches, place a stitch marker on the second and the 17th single crochet stitch. Next, crochet 3 single crochet stitches into the last stitch. Complete 3 single crochet stitches. Continue crocheting single stitches on the other side of the chain stitch. Place a stitch marker on the first single crochet and continue down, crocheting a total of 16 single crochets. Sixteen single crochets are completed. Similarly, place a stitch marker on the 16th single crochet, then crochet 2 single crochets in the first chain stitch. Round 1 completed, slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. Round 2, chain 1 to stand up. Increase 1 stitch in the first stitch, crochet 2 single crochets. Then we arrive at the position of the first stitch marker between the two markers, which we call the non-increase area. In the non-increase area, do not increase or decrease. Crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch, a total of 16 single crochets. "16 short rows are completed. We have reached the increase area. In the 3 stitches in the increase area, increase 1 stitch in each, knit 2 short stitches, which is 3 sets of short stitch increases. After completing the 3 sets of slip stitches, continue to crochet 16 single stitches in the second lung clip stitch area. "16 single crochets are completed. Increase 1 stitch in each of the last 2 stitches. Crochet 2 sets with single crochet increases. Second lap complete, pull at the first short stitch. Round 3, lock 1 standing stitch, crochet a single crochet in the first stitch. Increase 1 stitch in the second stitch, crochet 2 single crochets. Round 3, skip 1 stitch, add 1 stitch. Next, we crochet 16 single crochet stitches in the non-increase area. Then we come to the second increase area and similarly follow the pattern of adding a stitch every other stitch, making a total of 3 groups of increases. Three sets of pinching needles are completed. Continue to weave 16 single crochet stitches. In the last 4 stitches, continue to pattern by adding 1 stitch every other stitch for 2 groups. Completed the third round, slip stitch into the first short stitch. We always increase stitches in the increased stitch area on both sides. In the non-increasing section, always crochet 16 single crochets. Now let's focus on demonstrating how to increase in the increasing section. Round 4, chain 1 to stand up, crochet 1 single crochet in each of the first 2 stitches. In the third stitch, increase 1 stitch and crochet 2 single crochets. Round 4, add 1 stitch every 2 stitches, increasing a total of 6 stitches. Pull through in the first single crochet stitch to complete the 4th round. Chain 1 to start the 5th round and crochet 1 single crochet in each of the first 3 stitches. In the 4th stitch, increase 1 stitch and crochet 2 single crochets. In the 5th round, increase 1 stitch after every 3 stitches, adding a total of 6 stitches. 5th round complete, slip stitch into the first single crochet. 6th round chain 1 starting stitch, crochet 1 single crochet in each of the first 4 stitches. In the 5th stitch, increase and crochet 2 single crochets. In the 6th round, add 1 stitch every 4 stitches, increasing a total of 6 stitches. In the 6th round, finish by slip stitching into the first single crochet and cut the yarn, hiding the yarn tail inside the fabric. Then we count out 5 stitches in the middle where there is no increase. Place a stitch marker, then start the stitch from the one next to the marker. Hold your hands up. The purpose of picking up stitches: crochet half of a single crochet into each stitch. Round B7, crochet a total of 63 single crochets up to the stitch before the second marker. 7th round completed, the side starts to stand up. Now we begin the 8th round, chain 1 turning stitch, flip the piece. Slip stitch in each stitch. The 8th round consists of a total of 63 slip stitches. Round 8 is complete. Cut the yarn and hide the yarn end inside the fabric. The main body is completed. Now let's start knitting the hat with a circular cast on. Make a slip stitch to secure. Round 1, chain 1 for a standing stitch, then crochet 6 single crochets into the loop. Six short needles complete the tightening coil. Pull through the first short stitch. In the second round, lock 1 standing stitch. In the first stitch, increase by knitting 2 single crochets. Next, in every stitch, add 1 stitch and crochet 2 single crochets. For the second round, increase a total of 6 stitches to crochet 12 single crochets. Complete the second round with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Chain 1 and crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch for a total of 12 single crochets in the third round. From the 3rd to the 5th round, crochet 12 single crochets in each round. 5th round complete. 6th round, chain 1, turn the piece, knit into the back loop of each stitch, making a total of 12 single crochets. Pull through in the first single crochet stitch to complete the 6th round. Round 7, chain 1 standing stitch, crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch, a total of 12 single crochets. The base ring is complete. Slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. Cut the yarn, hide the yarn ends inside the fabric, then we fold the brim of the hat over. A small hat is completed. We use white yarn to crochet the nose, also starting with a magic ring, and follow the written pattern instructions from the first to the fourth round. Now we start crocheting the fifth round. Chain 1 turning chain and crochet into the back loops of the stitches. We crochet 6 single crochets together. Finish the fifth round by slip stitching into the first single crochet stitch. Cut the yarn, leave a 10 cm tail for sewing. Before sewing, we can stuff in some filling, then use a sewing needle to go through the 6 stitches in sequence. Then tighten. Use black thread to embroider the nose tip at the first round position. Finally, we attach the nearby piece to the body. Place the nose in the gap below. Apply glue to the middle of the hat and attach it to the top. Finally, stick on the eyes and decorations, and our glasses holder is completed. That concludes this tutorial. See you next time.